Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is day 11 of my futures prop trading journal. I have one video before that where I laid out my plan. If you're new here, I'm documenting my journey in prop trading and I hopefully share more wins than losses and the key lessons I'm learning along the way. So let's jump right in with the positives. My first evaluation was passed with EUREX. I have a funded account with them now and I was able to reach the first profit split. Short information about EUREX, one of the best prop trading companies I found out there, especially for my trading style. They have a static drawdown. That will be important in the second part of my video. And they are similar to TopStep in regards of the payout policies. They have rebranded, I think. They now have challenges the up U-profit zeros. So they nearly have zero rules. You have a static drawdown. You need to reach the first profit target, and afterwards, like TopStep, you need to have 5 trading days with a minimum of $200 per day. They don't need to be consecutive. And afterwards, you are able to request 50% of your winnings. Important fact, like most of the other trading companies, when you request your first profit target, profit split, sorry, your drawdown will go up to 0 or 0 plus 100 in regards to other prop companies. So the static drawdown will go up to 50,000 now. I'm very happy that I was able to have such a positive start into my prop trading journey. So I recommend UProfit, or now I can recommend them because I reached the targets and the money also reached my bank account. If you have seen my other video where I laid out my plan, what I want to do with the money and how I plan to go forward in the future, a part of the profits will go back into building up a lot of accounts, or as many accounts as I think is needed. I now have one account with UProfit where I'm in the funded stage. On the second hand now, or second part now, I have 2 accounts with blusky. I bought my second account with the profits from UProfit, and sadly have to say that I lost an account and had to buy a reset today because the DAX wasn't really nice to me. At the start of the day, I was convinced that the price will go lower, so I had positions built up in the with the Frankfurt Opens to go short. Was stopped out with the London Open, tried again, was stopped out, maybe a little bit too narrow stop there. And with this candle, I thought, okay, my bias wasn't correct, we will go long, and was stopped out again. And now the DAX was going down to the bottom, missed the big trade and lost in the small choppy areas. I know it's a mistake in my part. Main problem here, or I'm aware of my main mistakes and main problems, is that my trading size is too big, and I should have wider stops. But the problem with the evaluations is you need to try to reach the profit goal in a short amount of time, or that's my opinion. Hopefully I will be able to reach the profit target just now with both accounts. They are nearly at the same balance, because one I had to reset today, the other I just bought when I made the payout with UProfit. One important point I also want to share with you is Blue Sky. If you take a look at the plans, and now you can see that they have a consistency of 30%. So that means you shouldn't win more than $900 per day. On the other hand, you should try to lose less than $900 per day, because if you have a losing day of minus $900, you need a whole day to again be at zero. So one losing day equals 2 lost days in your lifetime. And so I try to have a plan in place, a loss limit in place, where I say I like, also comparable to risk and reward. If my risk and reward is 1 to 2, I also like to have 1 to 2 risk and reward in my overall daily losses. So my daily loss shouldn't be higher than $450 or $500, so that my daily winning of $900 is comparable to it. With Tradeify, you also have the possibility to go to an account and set the risk settings. In the risk settings, you can do a daily loss limit of, let's say, $500. The $1,000 from the provider are the daily loss limit mentioned here, and your daily profit trigger is, in my case, the $901 for the consistency rule as seen before. Alright, that wraps up my day 11 of my futures trading journey. I hope you found this helpful, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're on your own trading journey, remember, stay disciplined, stay learning, and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, I see you in the next video.